going good. Just easy. Taking it just easy. So, gonna ride 250k. I have 1.2 kilo of date strapped on my bike. Like going lightweight, minimalist style, you know, living life. See the shit. Google Maps took me onto some really small road, like with gravel and stuff, you know. But now I'm on a nice road here, really beautiful. It's very wet in the air. It's like halfly raining. It's like, but it's good. It feels good. It's gonna be nice. Nice ride. See you later. This fucking shit Google Maps can fucking go and fuck himself. This is no fucking road. It's a fucking small little fucking path. Fuck this fucking shit! If you ride your bike in Sweden, don't use Google Maps. Otherwise you'll be in fucking forest. Love you guys. It's hard times, but you know, because it's gonna be so late when I get there. It's raining and it's very windy, you know, because they're like open roads and stuff, so it's quite hard. So now I put on the raincoat. My neck hurts a lot. I don't know what it is, but I'm very used to biking, but today is like not good at all. And I'm gonna carve up on some figs. See you later. Look at this one. It's a stone monument from the Viking time. At least they say it is. I don't know if it's true. I've never studied them. So cool. Look at it. So nice. Yeah. I'm riding 80 kilometers this far, so keep on going. Just talked to my mother. Oh, like this is not good because it's so dark. I mean, I plan to drive in the dark. It's okay, but I'm not in for it for like 6 hours with the big trucks and shit, you know. And the road is not very good. It's no space between the road and the not road, so not very good. Oh, so I'm gonna go to Sala, you know, see if there's some hotel I can sleep in. If there is not, my mother can maybe come and get me. You know, it's like 1 hour drive from Falun. If not possible, I'll sleep in the forest. It's gonna be fucking cold, but it's okay. I can do some Wim Hof stuff. Yeah, I'm not gonna drive to Falun. It's too dangerous. I mean, I have my limits, you know. If I can risk my life with climbing, I don't want to risk my climbing with cycling. It's fun. It's so dark, you can see it's like I'm gonna drive on that fucking big road. It's gonna be crazy. I've drove like 160 now, 160k, and it is about 100k more. But it's so fucking tough, guys. You can see how much it's blowing. It's like 7 meters per hour, between 4 and 10 meters per hour, but I reckon it's like 7 in average. It's like, whew, and it's just right at me, you know. It's so fucking hard. So now I'm gonna check up if there's some hotels. We'll see. Yeah. Booking.com. Come on. Give me some shit. Sala. Men vadå? Yeah, that's good. Dela plats, yeah. Två vuxna. No. One adult. Not work. This is free tid. Friday to Saturday, yeah. Yeah. What the fuck? Startar ni? Why the fuck don't you find Sala? Sala. Sweden. Ja, Västermanland. Go. Tjena. Jo, jag ska kolla hotell. Jag håller på att kolla hotell nu eller någonting. Hotell eller någonting nu. Ja, jag tror inte det går något tåg nu. Gör det? Men man får inte ta cykel hur som helst. Man måste typ packa cykeln. Det är det som är jobbigt. Ja. Men klockan 9. Hur mycket klockan nu? 8, 45 minuter. Okej. Ja, men vad bra att du kollar upp. Jag ska kolla på det också. Okej, fint. Bra. Hej. Okay, maybe this rain, but the train is shit because you have to pack your bike in a fucking bike box. Give me, man, inte not recommended. Pris, bästa pris, best price I want. Last minute. Panget hostel. Oh, so fucking far away from Sala. Okay, they have. Okay, so they have one. Okay, this fucking site sucks. Let's take hotels. Hotels.com. Fuck. Gimme. Nej, ingen jävla app. Skit. Sala. Sverige. Yes, fucking you. This app, I love it. It's not app. I love it. Fuck. Efter mest. Pris, högsta. No, I want lägst till högst. Yeah, I want the best price first. Fuck, it's not good price. Fuck. I'll reroute this shit. To Sala. Sala, Sverige. Oh, fucking 6 minutes. It's fucking awesome. So short. But that's with car. Bike. 16 minutes. That's fucking good. Let's go for it. See you later, guys. Love ya.